I'm going to be showing you how to install and use the BonQuickly Virtual Assistant. So you're going to want to download this off GitHub, unzip it, put it anywhere, I don't care. Hit the install button. Disregard the yellow text, blah, blah, blah. This is going to install. I already have everything installed, so I don't have to do this. Now, there's a few shortcuts that maybe won't work. But remember, you can always use your own shortcut. This Spotify shortcut, I don't know, it does work. Sometimes it won't work, sometimes it will. You can always look, Spotify. So this is how you would make your own shortcut. You would do copy, right? You would go in here, and you would rename it to whatever this original was, so short Spotify. Then you want to, if you could say no or something, or you could, so you would have to delete this and then rename that one. Pretty basic, pretty easy. Easy to use. So you want to hit this run button, and so I'll enable this.
Starting virtual assistant.
BonQuickly open Steam.
Opening Steam.
You can see it works. Oh, here, this is one of my favorite ones. BonQuickly Google and pin Pythagorean theorem.
Opening and pinning tab.
So, it's pinned to the top. You see? You could just say regular, Google, and it won't pin it. So, you can also do this. BonQuickly close tab.
Closing tab.
See? Alright. What else can we do? So we pull this up. BonQuickly type. Today I went to the grocery store and I got milk, period. Tomorrow I will go to the shopping mall.
Typing.
Boom. That's cool. Right there. It uses Google's thing. So if you search on Google with your voice, same thing. That's the API it uses. Pretty cool. Showed you how to install it. If you get any errors, I don't know, just, I'll link my Discord in the description and contact me there. So anyways, bye.